Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add work details to the Accor ALL application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on work details, which is the second button. After that, you should add your customer code, then access code. To the contact section, type in your business email address and then your business mobile phone number or phone number, then your address. And basically that's it. If you are done, click on the save button down below to save all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.